A nomad is a person having no permanent abode and who travels from place to place to find fresh pastures. That's me. That's my story. That's my nomadic way. Coffee cheers to all my subscribers and friends. Mmm, tastes so good. Hazelnut. Hazelnut. Um, oh my goodness. You know, it's getting more difficult for me and the pups because it's staying darker longer now. And I'm used to waking up early. And when I wake up, they wake up and they want out. And it's dark outside. And I can't let them out until there's some light. So, yeah. It makes it difficult also because I lay there waiting for daylight. Just waiting. Come on, daylight, get here. So I can go on with my life. But anyway, guys, one subject I want to talk about today, and this is something that occurred yesterday. And this is a kind of alert type thing. I was sitting outside, and I was outside all day yesterday, like I normally am. And a man come walking through. He kind of looked a little bit unkept, but he walks through, and he's coming from where the boat landing is, but I knew there was no boats there. And he wasn't wet, so he didn't swim there. So he came through the woods. I don't know where it goes to or how far back it goes to. I have not gone to find out, and now I'm not. But he comes in, and right now, the only people here since I've been here is the camp host and me. He's on one end of the park, I'm at the other end. And I went to go throw some garbage out, and I saw him sitting on one of the picnic benches. And I'm going, where did this guy come from? Because he didn't come from the road. Where was he at? And really, you know, that alarm system goes off, ding, 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 warning, warning. And after I went there, I went to the bathroom, and I went and talked to Joe, the camp host. I said, Joe, who's that guy over there? He says, I don't know, but he knows my name. I said, you don't know him? He says, no. I said, well, Joe, where did he come from? Because he didn't come down the road. He came from the opposite direction. And Joe said, I don't know. Well, being that Joe was homeless, I figured he might have some ideas, you know, what, but he didn't. So this is kind of like an alarm system to me because I've never encountered anybody coming out of nowhere to where the camp area where I'm at. It looked like the guy was homeless. It really did. Well, coming back to my campsite from Joe's, I was walking down the road because normally I cut through where the benches are, but I didn't want to. And he says, hi, and I kind of like nodded my head, but not really giving him recognition, but still being polite. I'm always polite. Might be not good. But I just got that warning feeling inside of me, and I thought, wow, what if he's living out here in the woods? And what, he could come out at night any time, you know, we don't know. So I keep my things pretty well tied down, and they can't get into my food Well, the raccoons can't, let's put it that way, because I have made sure I bunch cord it good. But a person can. And when I finally do go to sleep, I sleep very heavy. Unless the dogs wake me up barking, I sleep quite heavy. But thank God I keep my shotgun next to me all the time, fully loaded. And maybe the safety's on, but it's ready to go off if I need it. But it's just makes you think we don't know what's around us anywhere. I mean, our surroundings, when we have trees like I have out here, you really can't see hardly through them. So you don't know who's on the other side. And this was daylight, so that's a little bit eerie to me. But anyway, just warning, just because you're in an area and it appears that there's no one around, don't be so confident in it, because there might be somebody out there. And they may be watching you without you knowing. If this happens again, I will move, because I did not like the feeling at all. I mean, when they come from anywhere, that's unnerving. So anyway, I will keep a very watchful eye. Ooh, talk about eye. I got something in my eye. I will keep a very watchful eye from now on around the woods around me. So that I just wanted to let you all know that no matter where you're at, you need to be on the alert at all times. All times. Don't feel so confident. And I normally do feel confident where I'm at, or I wouldn't be there. That you let your guards down. Never let your guards down, because there's always somebody out there watching and waiting. Love you all. Love one another and love thyself. Hugs. Peace. Don't forget, hug one person a day. One person.